How to make a bar graph in Google Sheets. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Take It Simple. Today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a bar graph in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheet where you have the student and marks data. Take a moment to review the information. Now let's create a bar graph for this data. To do this, click and drag to select all the relevant data points. Once the data is selected, navigate to the Insert menu. From there, click on Chart. Google Sheets will automatically generate a chart based on the selected data, typically a bar graph. You'll see the chart appear on your sheet. On the right side of the screen, you'll find a panel with various chart options and settings. You can explore these options to customize your chart further. To choose a different type of graph, click on Chart Type in the right panel. Google Sheets offers a variety of graph types, including bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and more. Feel free to experiment with different chart types until you find the one that best represents your data. Click on the desired chart type and Google Sheets will update the chart accordingly. And there you have it. You have successfully created a bar graph for your student and marks data in Google Sheets. That's a wrap for today. I hope you understand. If you guys did, hit the subscribe button and I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Until then, bye-bye.